how to apply page break before printing or creating PDF in Excel. So if you want to apply page break before printing or creating a PDF in your Excel, then what you need to do is you just need simply search for your Excel at first. Open up your Excel. Once you're here with the Excel, what you need to do is you just need simply go with the upper left, which has that file, and then you can go with save, and under save as, you'll have an option to save it as a PDF, right? But before that, what you need to do is just simply go with the page break option, which will be right here. You'll have page break preview on the bottom right. Just click on it and it will take you to this kind of interface. So as you can see that I have here 3 pages, right? So if this is unnecessary, then you can just simply go with the blue colored line, which is right here, and just go with the necessary part. That's it. Now you can go and save it as a PDF, or you can just simply go and enlarge it. If you want 2 pages, you can go with 2 pages. You can just enlarge it and you will have 2 pages, which is right here. You will have the second page right here. So that's it. Now go with the upper left, which has that file. Go with save as, select the destination, and go with the drop down under save as type, and here you need to select PDF and go with save, and that's it. It has been saved in one paper. That's how you can apply page breaks, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.